So I'm gonna check this place out. Black Rifle Coffee. They got a brick and mortar. Let's see what they got, right? That's cool. All right, mission successful. Black Rifle Coffee. Me and the lady. Somebody being a on the fucking road in the parking lot. What do we get, babe? Fuck your sensitivity. Black Rifle Coffee. I got a mug, but hell yeah. Right as cocky now.